Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's update what is going on currently on the euro currency. So you can see that the recent price action on the previous trading session was relatively tight. So you can see market has formed some such sort of the highway candle. Well, that is the shallow sign that market just indecision but the nearest term price action. And you can see that this pattern has been formed right around the weekly pivot resistance 1. Well, probably tells that markets currently still feels some sort of the resistance right in this area. Also, that is the deep 88 resistance from that swing down. As you can see, market now stands flat in this area. So just to remind you our expectation that recent price action and the failure of the head and shoulders pattern on the 4-hour time frame that we previously have intended to trade, but market hasn't given us any chance to do that. Well, all these moments have the bullish nature, and very probable that upward we could see the upward continuation in the nearest perspective. Now our major task is to try to join with this potential move to the upside with as small risk as we can do this. Well, and probably there are two possible scenarios. The first scenario is to get some deeper retracement to the downside on the intraday chart if market intends really to continue move to the upside, since that is not the level of overbought, and except maybe this pivot resistances, market has no barrier, no fib resistances, nothing more. Let's consider the minimum target of this extension pattern A, B, C bottom stands as 131.66, higher than this previous swing high. So that tells us that if market will continue move to the upside, this top probably will fail and market will take it out. Now let's take a look at the intraday charts to understand what we could expect. Yesterday we said that both patterns are possible, as the Napoli bread and butter trade as the double repo. Well, here's our thrust, the same levels that we have discussed previously. Theoretically, this move to the downside probably could be treated as bread and butter. The one lacking moment in this area is that market hasn't hit significant area. It has moved below the 3.8 resistance of that swing, but hasn't quite reached the 618. And if we take a look at this swing to the upside, that is very minor retracement. So this looks more like the continuation to the upside. This is not even the 3.8 retracement from this initial first leg of this thrust. That's why I suppose that the significant level for that thrust is still 3.8 support. And since market hasn't hit it, I suppose that we can't talk about the pure bread and butter buy. At least this is my point of view. Well, I do not pretend on any absolute opinion. That's just how I think about the current situation. That's why personally I intend to wait for the possible double repo sell pattern, or conversely of this failure. So as you know, the failure of the double repo is the bullish pattern. It's the same directional pattern, and we very often forget about it. That is not quite correct. So what do we see? Thrust up, close below the 3x3, close above it. Now we need the second close below this green line to get the confirmation bar of the double repo pattern. And according to the direct double repo, market should hit, as I suppose, at minimum 129.94, 130 area. That is the 50% support of the whole thrust to the upside. That is the target of the double repo that I prefer to use. This is the minimum level that double repo usually should reach if this is indeed the double repo sell pattern. The second moment is the potential double repo failure. So if market will move to the downside, close below the 3x3, but later returns right back above the 618 resistance of this recent swing down, that will be the double repo failure that suggests that market is ready to the upward continuation. That is what about the double repo. The second moment that I prefer to see in the double repo is the higher second top. Why I prefer to see it, to get it? Because when the market forms higher top, the break-even traders that wait for the breakout, and probably some of them place the stop entry orders right about the previous swing high just to join upward move, if this will be the double repo, will be trapped in the wrong position when the market will show the confirmation. In this case, the stops that will be placed somewhere below the market will add fuel to the move to the downside. That's why it's better to get the second top that is higher than the first top of the double repo pattern. If we will take a look at the hourly time frame, we'll see that this possibility exists. So you can see a nice example of the bullish dynamic pressure on the hourly time frame. What we have, trend holds bearish in this area, but market forms higher bottoms. That looks like the market increases the pressure on this resistance that stands right above this area, around 130.95, and market, take a look, holds in the range of this long candle up. As you know, the dynamic pressure at minimum should lead to the taking out of these highs and clear out the stops about it. What will happen later? It's now very difficult to predict. I hope that this will be some sort of the wash and rinse that will create the great high on the double repo pattern, and if market will returns right back, and here we will see some taking out these highs, move to the upside, then returns right back inside of this coil, that will be the wash and rinse, and that will be the another point in favor of the double repo sell pattern. If this will happen, well, that probably scalp trader could try to trade with this double repo. Those who intends to enter on the daily time frame in the long position just have to wait when this double repo will work out. Well, that's my expectation on the nearest perspective on the euro currency. Well, still till the end of the current week, not much time left, so I'm not sure that market will be in time to accomplish all this stuff during today's trading session. Maybe we will see some postponing of this price action in the beginning of the next week as well. It's very difficult to say currently how it will turn, but keep an eye on this consolidation. That's very significant and important area, and that could give us a lot of opportunities to trade in the nearest time.